How many different types of characters appear in the figure given below? Now in such questions, what you have to do is, this question is appearing on screen. So in that case, you can check those numbers which are repeating. So based on that, if we check, the front row is not repeating at all in earlier part. Then in the second row, the same way, these are coming for the first time. When in third row, if we check, certain numbers are still new, but this figure is repeating over here and this figure is repeating over here. So these two are new, rest of them are again repeating. If we check, we have two more members which are not again repeating, and now if we calculate, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So correct answer for these will be 21 characters.
Given below is a series of number, which number will replace the question mark? By observing this number, we can say all numbers are odd. It means we can say there would be certain pattern of odd numbers, right? So after this one, next odd numbers would be like 111, 113, 115, 117, 119, 121, 123, 125, like that. But there is a certain pattern is also following. These all numbers are prime number. A prime number divisible by itself, and one is known as a prime number. Any prime number will follow this condition, 6k plus minus 1. Like if you replace the value of k as a 17, so 17 6 are 102, plus 1 would be 103 and minus 1 would be 101. Now we will apply the divisibility rule. This number is divisible by 3, so this won't be your answer. This number is divisible by 5, won't be prime number. 13 nines are, this is not a prime number. 17 sevens are not a prime number. This is a square of 11, won't be prime number. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 5. So one option is left, 113. So answer would be 113.
How many lines are there in the image given below? Now in these kind of questions, you can divide it in vertical lines and horizontal lines and also in diagonal lines. And then you can start counting from left to right. Based on that, if we see vertical lines, number of vertical lines that we can get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then also we can get 8, 9, 10, 11. So these edges are already counted. Then based on that, again if we check, we have this and this line, then this also. Now there are certain lines which are not at the bottom but in the top, which is this and this. Then certain lines are inside, 1, then 2. And based on this, if we count the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and this 22. So correct answer for this question will be 22. How many configurations of block appear only once in the figure given below? Now here, first of all, you have to find the patterns, those are matching, and those patterns are this, here, this is also repeating, this is also repeating with this, and this is also repeating with this. Rest of the images are not repeating, they are coming only for once. So those images are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So correct answer will be 12. What is the number of fonts used in the words given below? Now here you have to understand the pattern through observation, and then if we check, certain members are still repeating. For example, if we see in mango, A is same as orange, so this is one pattern. Then if we check papaya, papaya in that also the A is repeating same as grapes, also as pomegranate. Then if we check apple, the same E is repeating in pineapple and pomegranate as well as tomato. So now based on this, total number of fonts those are used is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So correct answer will be 6.
What is the maximum number of whole cuboids of length 2 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter, height 1 centimeter that can be packed into a larger cuboid having a length of 3 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and a height 11 centimeter. So first of all, we will draw a cuboid, larger cuboid having a length and width 3, 3. We will keep height aside. Now first of all, try to make a perfect base by utilizing maximum space. Length 2 smaller cuboid are something like that. 2 is a base, 1 and you can say height would be again 1. Right. So first of all, try to make 2 by 1. We will try to adjust the first base. Later we will consider the height. 2 by 1. Then again 2 by 1. Then again 2 by 1. So 1, 1, 1 would be equivalent to this 3. Now 2, 2 and this would be again 2. So this part is remaining, that is a 1. Now we can consider length 2. So this would be 1 by 2. Now this part would be remaining. So perfectly we can say in the base 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 the extra one that we will consider later. Right. Now considering the height 2 by 1. So height would be how much? 1. How many cuboids are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 on one layer, considering height as a 1 centimeter. But we are having a height of 11 centimeter. So we will multiply this quantity with 11. So we have calculated all the cuboid which are possible on this place. Now coming to this remaining one, 1 by 1 by 2. So we will consider length and width 2, now height as a 2. Height we will consider as a 2. When the height would be 2 and the total height of the larger cuboid would be 11, then 11 by 2 would be 5. It means you can say there would be 5 cuboid can come on this place. So 44 plus 5. So overall answer would be 4949. How many triangles are there in the figure shown below? First of all, we will try to get the similarity. As we can say, these two triangles are similar. So we try to calculate number of triangle in this figure only. So first of all, we'll try to calculate the smaller triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll try to get triangle which are a combination of two triangle. 1, 2, 3. Later we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. And this would be 5, this would be 6. Then one bigger one. So together they are how much? 16. 16 plus 16. So up till now we can say 32 triangles are there. Now we will try to get the triangle combination of these two bigger triangle. One triangle, again similar. So we will consider two more triangle. Now one triangle, similar way, two triangle, similar way, 3, similar way, 4. And the bigger hole would be 1 and this would be 2. So together how much? 40 triangle would be your answer.
Count the number of stacked triangular pieces in the image shown below. In such questions, you can always check the total number of triangles those are given. So here if we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a line of 8 triangles. So we write down 8. Then if we check, this is with 7 triangles. So total another 7. Then these two are with 6 triangles. So that will be 6 plus 6, 12. Then if we check, these two are with 5. So 12 will be another 10. Then 4, 3 and 2 plus 4 plus 3 and plus 2. Now if we calculate all these, that will be 15, 15 plus 12, 27, 37, 37 plus 3, 40 and plus 2, 46. So correct answer will be 46.
Shown below is a combination of fixed pulleys. If the triangular load moves downside, how many pulleys will rotate in the same direction as the smallest pulley, including itself? The overlapping path do not interface with each other. So first of all, we have to identify how many pulleys rotate clockwise, how many pulleys rotate anti-clockwise. We assume we are releasing certain rope from over here, so this would be going in an anti-clockwise. For the anti-clockwise, I will write down cross. For the clockwise, I will write down right. So it would be easier to denote. Anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. This would be clockwise. This would be clockwise. This would be clockwise. This would be anti-clockwise. This would be again anti-clockwise, clockwise. This would be anti-clockwise. This would be clockwise. Just a minute. This would be anti-clockwise. This would be clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Again clockwise. Anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now we have to count how many rights are there. That would be the number of clockwise direction. A smaller pulley is having a right, it means having a clockwise direction. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So our answer would be 11. The current time is 10 minutes past 3. It means 3:10 would be the timing in the afternoon. What will be the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock 4 hours 40 minutes from now? So we have to add 4 hours and 40 minutes. So the exact time would be 7:50. Now we have to identify angle between hour hand and minute hand. I am making roughly diagram just to get the idea where would be the position of hour hand and the minute hand. 7:50, it means your minute hand would be exactly at a 10 and hour hand would be nearby to 8, but not on exactly 8. If you consider this condition, so you get a 2 part and each part would be having a 30-degree angle, so total angle would be 60-degree. Okay. Hour hand makes a half-degree angle in 1 minute. How much angle hour hand will make in 10 minutes? 10 minutes, this will make 5-degree. So 60 plus 5, answer would be 65. That's the one method to solve the question. There is a one more method. There is a one shortcut, 30h minus 11 by 2 m, where h is an hour, m is a minute. So 30 into 7 minus 11 by 2 into m, value of m would be 50. This is a modulus. Oral quantity should be positive and oral quantity should be less than 80. In case you are getting amount greater than 80, then minus this quantity from 360. So this would be 210 minus 25 into 11 would be 275. So quantity would be how much? Negative 65. As we have discussed, this is a modulus, so quantity would be positive. So answer would be 65.
Privacy of a space depends on the level of closure it has from its surroundings. That is, the difficulty of accessing that space from outside the house. The figure below shows the plan of 4 houses at a village street junction. Which is the most private room amongst all the rooms across all the houses? Now here in this question, if we check, we have to understand the longest distance that has to be covered to go to the particular room. Based on that, if we check, these rooms are almost directly accessible, which are not counted as the private rooms. Then if we check here, again the same equation goes, so these also will be count. Here if we check, again the same way it is going, so these are not still private. Now if we check in this 26, 28 and 27 are the direct, but from 22nd if we have to reach till 25, we have to cross almost 1, 2, 3 and 4 doors. So based on that, if we check, privacy of 25 will be the main. So right answer for this question will be 25. The figure below shows the layout plan of conservative Themalwadi village, which consists of a cluster of houses. Black line represent the walls and the opening in those walls represents either windows or doors. Also marked are the houses of Ria, who lives with her family, and Barkya, who are in love and having an affair. So hidden from the eyes of the villagers, they regularly meet at night in Barkya's house. Themalwadi is so conservative that even sight of a woman on the street at night raises eyebrows. If Ria takes the path that has the least number of openings, what is the number of openings that she will have to pass to get to Barkya's house? Now in this question, you have to look at the path, you have to observe it, and based on that, if we find the best path that she can go through is A, W, U, E, Q, R, S, and then at Barkya's house. In this, if we observe, we can get a door at R, we can get a door as S, and then we can get a door over E. So correct answer for this will be 3.
Shown in the figure is a pyramid with a square base formed by vertices E, F, G, H, these are given, and the top vertex I. The diagonally opposite vertex E, G, F, H are connected to form a vertices J. It means all diagonals are intersecting at a point J. The vertices I and J are also connected. I and J are also connected as shown. How many triangles are formed by all these vertices? First of all, we can do one thing. We will make a square E, F, G and H. So by observing this figure, we directly can say number of triangles would be 8. How? Smaller would be 4 and the combination of 2 would be again 4. So total would be 8. Now coming to this triangle. One triangle, two triangle and overall one more triangle. So 3 triangles are there. Symmetricity, again there would be 3 triangle EIJ, IJG and EIG. So total would be 6. Apart this, there would be 4 more triangle IGH, IFG, IFE, IEH. So I have to add 4 more. So number of triangle would be 18. The length and breadth of a white rectangle is 6 by 4. Length would be 6 and breadth would be 4 respectively. The proportion of the outer black, middle red and inner right rectangles are the same. It means the ratio of length to width would be same in each case. What is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC? We have to identify the length of AB, right? So first of all, we can apply the similar triangle concept. So based on that, we can identify if the length would be 6, then whole length would be how much? 12. This would be how much? 4. So this would be 8, 12, 8. Compared to this length would be twice. So it would be 24. And compared to S, 8, this would be twice. That would be 16. A is a midpoint. So we can say 12, 12 would be there. And we can apply Pythagoras theorem over here in the triangle ABC. AC is 12, BC 16. We have to identify this side. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC square would be 12 square would be 144, BC would be 16 square 256, summation would be 400. That would be equal to AB square. Square root of 400 would be 20. So that would be answer. Or you can apply here triplet, that is 3, 4, 5. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, so 5 4s are 20 would be answer. So overall answer would be 20. Mithapur works on a barter system. Each person there loves different sweets. Mukund is willing to exchange 2 toffee. Mukund, 2 toffee for 1 lollipop and 3 ice cream for 1 toffee. Rajan is willing to exchange 1 ice cream for 2 lollipop and 3 toffee for 1 lollipop. Mukund and Rajan don't know each other, but both of them know Sita, who loves toffee. Sita has only 1 lollipop. She can meet Rajan and Mukund only once, not necessarily in that order. What is the maximum number of toffee that Sita can get, right? Sita has only 1 lollipop, and the intention is what is the maximum number of toffee she can get. So there are 2 possibilities. First she will meet Mukund, and second she will meet Rajan. And the another possibility would be first she will meet Rajan and second she will meet Mukund. We assume, let's say first case is a first Mukund then Rajan. So she has a 1 lollipop. 1 lollipop would be equal to 2 toffee. 1 lollipop would be equal to 2 toffee. Later 1 toffee is equal to 3 ice cream. So 2 toffee would be equal to how much? 6 ice cream. Now 1 ice cream is equal to 2 lollipop. 1 ice cream is equal to 2 lollipop. We have a 6 ice cream. So it would be 12 lollipop. 1 lollipop is equal to 3 toffee. So 12 lollipop would be equal to 12 3s are 36 toffee. So this would be the first case when she meet Mukund and later on Rajan. Take another case, first Rajan and then Mukund. 1 lollipop. 1 lollipop would be equal to 3 toffee. Now next time 3 toffee would be equal to certain ice cream, but then won't give you the toffee. So she will get 3 toffee only. So answer would be 36. Atul has 9 cats that always fight with each other. He puts all of them into a square box. What is the least number of square partitions he must use to keep all the cats separated from each other? We have to identify the least number of square partitions. You may use any size of square partition. First of all, we will use 1 square partition over here, second over here, third over here, and the fourth over here. So least number of squares would be 4. So answer would be 4. The CBI is investigating a dangerous gang of 3 criminals. The criminals are Donga, Tridwan and Daku. The investigation team consists of Pradyuman, Daya, Fredericks, Salniki, Tarika and Purvi. Each criminal is to be investigated by the exactly 2 investigators, and each investigators investigate exactly 1 criminal. The investigation is to be conducted subject to the following constraint. There are 3 criminals, D, T and D. These 2 D are similar, so we will write down Donga, DG and Daku as a DK. Pradyuman and Daya do not investigate the same criminal. Pradyuman, P and P is common, so we will write down PR for the Pradyuman and Purvi, PU. They don't investigate the same criminal. F and S investigate the same criminal. It means F and S are always similar. If F investigate T, it means if F would be over here, obviously F and S both are working together, then T, Tarika, must investigate Daku. Which these constraint, which of the following could be the acceptance assignments of the investigation to potential criminals. F and S investigate Tridwan, right? P and D, there is a one condition is given, P and D can't work together, so this option would be eliminated. Now second one, F and S are together, Tarika and Pradyuman can investigate, because this is a if condition. It is not necessarily definitely true these 2 person will investigate this person only, like F will investigate Tridwan only. Second one, Daya and Purvi, because Daya and Purvi can work together, but Daya and Pradyuman can't work together, so this is a possible. Second one, This is Tarika is over there. Pradyuman and Daya can't work together. It means either Pradyuman would be there or Daya would be there with the Tarika. Right? Tarika and Purvi investigate Donga. Tarika and Purvi investigate Donga. F and P investigate Tridwan. It won't be possible because F and S both are working together. So this option will be eliminated. D and P investigate T. It may be possible because there is a if condition. T and P investigate Daku, possible. F and S investigate Donga, that is also possible. So answer would be B and D only. If 9 plus 8, it means 9 is a child of 8, 7 star 6, it means 6 is the wife of 7, then which of the following statement can be derived from this information? First of all, we will consider this one. 2 plus 3, it means 2 is a child of 3, 2 is a child of 3, later 3 and 1, it means 1 is the wife of 3, 1 is the wife of 3, it means 1 would be female, 3 would be male. I am denoting female with a circle and male with a square. Later 1 and 4. It means 1 is a child of 4. Later 4, 5. It means 5 is the wife of 4. This would be male. Now 2 is a grandchild of 4. 2 is a grandchild of 4. True. 1 is the daughter of 5. 1 is the daughter of 5 because we know the gender. So we can say this is a daughter. 5 is the grandfather of 3. 5 is the grandfather of 3. Incorrect. 1 is the mother of 2. 1 is the mother of 2. We know the gender. So that is also correct. So answer would be A, B and D.
"30 circles are given below with a set of rules. Rule number 1, the bigger the circle, the further away it is from us. Rule number 2, the thinner the line of the circle, the closer it is to us. Rule number 3, the red circles are further away from us as compared to the blue circles. Which of the options given below is or are true? Now, if we observe answers, circle 25 is the closest to us. Now, in that, if we check, 25 is in color blue and also with the thin line. So, A will be one of the options, true. Circle 25 is furthest from us, which is exactly opposite of A, which is not right. So, B will be eliminated. Circle 24 is closer to us than 13. So, in that if we check, yes, because 13 is bigger and thicker as well, though it is blue, but 24 is in red and smaller. So, C is also one of the right answers. And then circle 14, circle 6 is closer to us than circle 8. Circle 6 and circle 14 is closer to us than 8, which is again not right because 8 is the smallest and thinnest and it is in blue as well. So, D is also not right. So, correct answers for us in this will be A and C. If the black lines represent cutting lines and dotted pink lines are the folding lines, which of the options correctly represents the opened up surfaces of the solid shown? Here you have to understand tessellation, and based on that you have to understand what is the surface development can be done to make this image exactly. Based on that, if we check, the base on the bottom is given over here in all the images, and then if we check near that image, here there should not be any of the cube or square seen. So, in A there are few, so A is eliminated. Same as in D, there are few, so they are also eliminated. Now, the correct answer for us will remain B and C.
Shown below is a map of a city with the names of prominent locations. A man start walking from this position towards the west. Person start from this location towards the west direction. Okay. Then takes the second right. First and second right. This is the first right and this is the second right. And then second left. First and second left. Then first left. this would be left. Third right, 1, 2, 3, third right. And then second left, this would be first left, this would be second left. And walks on a straight to the end of the street. So answer would be Kandivali.
Two different views of a sphere are shown below. Select the correct digital image that is mapped on the sphere. Now here, if we check on both the poles of sphere, we can see black strips. So in that case, if it is folded open, then we have to see the whole black patch on the image of top as well as on the bottom. Based on that, if we check, B and D will be eliminated directly. Now if we check, the thickness should be little higher than shown in A, so A also will be eliminated, and then based on that the correct answer will be C. Given below is a sequence of drawings from the animation of a cricket batsman performing a pull shot, with one missing drawing represented by a question mark. Which option would best replace the question mark? Now here, while having a pull shot, if you see, the bat movement will be down, then up, then down and up. Also with that, front, back, and based on that, if we observe, we have the option D, which is exactly fitting with the question mark. So correct answer over here will be D. The word shown below, a specific font. From the options, choose the letter that belongs to the same font. Now this question is purely based on observation and curves. Those are coming in the font. Now here, if we check, all of these fonts have a certain pattern at the bottom, out of which only this pattern in D matches the pattern over here. So correct answer for this question will be D. Figure 1 is unfolded into figure 2 and individual letters are written on each face. Which option is the correct representation when it is folded back? Now here, if we see, we have to understand the numbers, and based on that we can check which can be fitted properly. Now based on this and this, if we check, the upper figure will come on the top and bottom figure should be at the bottom. And based on that, if we check on one cube, we should be able to see A, B, C together on the bottom cube, and which is there in option D. So correct answer for this question will be D. If the heptagon with the triangle is mirrored along the common edge depicted by a dotted line between two consecutive shapes, what would be the resultant figure B? Here you have to observe and understand how the mirror comes. So in that, if we check, if we mirror it through this axis, this triangle should come on this side, then the mirror of it will come on this side. Based on that, again the mirroring will go on this side. Then again if we check, the mirroring will come on this side. Based on that, another mirroring will come on this side, and so based on that the final mirroring would be on exactly on this edge. So correct answer for this question will be A.
The hour hand of a particular clock move at half the speed and the minute hand at 6 times the speed of a regular clock. If this strange clock matches the time with the regular clock at 12 noon, what is the actual time when the strange clock next look as shown below? We can say at 12 o'clock, minute hand, hour hand would be over here. So minute hand has rotated how much? 12 to 6. How many minutes? 30 minutes. But actually this is 6 times faster. So actual time would be 5 minutes. Now this is a minute hand. Now coming to hour hand. Hour hand has moved has moved how much? 4 hours, and it is going with the half the speed, so I have to multiply with the 2. So actual time would be 8 hours and 5 minutes. So option number C would be correct.
Count the number of people with a mustache in the picture below. In such question, the observation skills has to be perfect, and then you have to start from any of the corner. Based on that, you can go either vertically or horizontally, and then we have to check. If we check the people with mustache here, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So total number is 18 people. So correct answer will be C.
Start at the same point, walk in an opposite direction. So assume they are starting from this point, they are going in this opposite direction. 4 meter. So distance is given, this is the initial point, 4 meter, 4 meter. They turn left. So this person will go this side, another person will go this side, and they walk 3 and another 3. What is the distance between them? So we have to identify this distance. As we know, direction are always at a 90-degree angle. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can say this would be 3, 4, 5. Again, this would be 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, answer would be 10. So option number C would be correct. Or we can do one thing, just extend this 3 over here, shift this 8 amount over here. So we will get a perfect triangle having a 2 side 8 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So we can identify the hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. So again, answer would be 10. So option number C would be correct.
Which is the appropriate option that can replace the question mark to complete the series? Here, if we observe, we have certain patterns which are overlapping on each other. Based on that, if we check, the pattern is forming certain overlapping part, and then this pattern is coming this side and this is coming on this side. Based on that, if we check the triangles, then this triangle should come on another side and this should come in front. And then if we make an image, should be something like this, and this image is matching exactly with D. So correct answer will be D. The figure shows a solid formed by the union of two solids. The first is an elliptic cylinder, basically a cylinder with an elliptical cross section of shorter width 4 inches, larger width 5 inches and height of 11 inches. And the second is a cuboid of 8 inches by 6 inches by 5 inches in width. The center of the extruded ellipse is aligned with the edge of cuboid as shown in the figure. If the resultant solid is cut by a plane shown by the red dotted line, what will be the cross section of the resulting face is viewed from an angle perpendicular to the face. Now viewing from this side, we have to draw lines from the intersection of red line with the exact member. We have to extend the lines from viewer's side as parallel to the eye, and then if we check, the sides will come like this. So here we can see this square, and then here if we see, it will be almost a circle which is exactly matching as option A. So correct answer for this will be A.
In the matrix sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 figures are given. We have to identify the fifth one, which would be suitable. We observe one number. let's say in the first figure 7 is occurring on this position, in the second one 7 is occurring on this position, on the third one it is available on this position. So we have to identify what would be suitable for the fourth one. By observing second and third matrix, we can say 4 is shifting from this place to this place. So we can say in the next one 7 should occur on this position. By seeing the option, we can say there will be one option that is suitable for this condition. So option number B would be correct.
Which is the correct top view for the solid shown? Now in this question, first of all you have to observe the bottom surface where we can see the angle on this side and then the straight line. Now based on that, if we see from top, we can see this point, then this line and then this line, which is there in option A as well as in option B, which is not there in C and D. So C and D option are eliminated. Now if we see, we have this curve where we can see this plane. So in that case, with this line we will be able to see one more line and then this third line, which is there in option A. So correct answer for this will be option A.